Welcome to This Explainer. Look, if you manage a fiber network, you already know your data is absolutely everything, but it's only valuable if you can actually find it when it counts. Today, we're diving into a platform called Zonedge, and we'll see exactly how it takes tedious, messy network data searching and transforms it into instant, actionable intelligence. We've all been there, right? You frantically scroll through some massive 140-page PDF just trying to find a single cable number. Or you sit there watching a CAD file from a decade ago load on your screen, which takes longer than brewing a fresh pot of coffee. It is a massive drain. You waste hours of valuable time doing this. Time you desperately need to solve real problems, not play digital hide and seek. And honestly, think about when that wasted time hurts the most. It's always Tuesday at 6:30 in the morning, a customer calls, a service outage alarm blares, and chaos hits. At that exact moment, you do not have the luxury of mentally piecing together a complex diagram. You have to act immediately. You need to know exactly where the problem is right now without digging through a dozen archives. So how do we fix this? We bring in instant network intelligence to trace fibers and actually locate those faults fast. Zonedge operates on a really simple premise. Your network information already exists. This platform just finds it instantly for you. You trace a fiber from end to end and see the entire path, every segment, every splice case, without opening 5 different files. Say you take an OTDR reading out in the field. You just enter that value into Zonedge, and bam, the system pinpoints the exact fault location right on the map. No more guessing. It is literally the difference between pulling over to squint at a static paper road atlas and just typing an exact address into your GPS. And the best part? You get this intuitive discovery without needing a computer science degree to search your own network. There is absolutely zero complex query language to learn here. People think differently, and the platform gets that. Any entry point works. A field technician throws in a pole number. A manager searches a street address, say King Street in Sherbrooke. A planner just drops in a cable name. Everyone instantly gets exactly what they need. It's so straightforward, you train a new tech in 30 seconds, and they use it perfectly from day one. But we're not just doing simple one-off searches. Let's talk about dynamic and saved queries that actually work for you and your whole team. You just configure these saved queries once, and they are locked in for the entire team on demand. Need to see all cables currently under construction by municipality? Done. Want a statistical overview of your network capacity or to check available versus used PON ports? It's right there. You even track down poles holding an attachment permit for rapid status updates. The platform does all the heavy mathematical lifting and filtering in the background. You just read the instant results. And it scales beautifully with dynamic parameters. It's a quick 3-step process. Step 1, your admin sets up the complex logic once, leaving the specific criteria open. Step 2, any user easily types in the missing variable, like a specific owner name or municipality. Step 3, instant results. One single dynamic query replaces what traditionally takes dozens of static variations. You get the exact data you need without ever needing to look under the hood. Now, having data is great, but visualizing it is even better. Let's look at custom thematic network maps, which let you see the network exactly the way you need to. Since a picture is worth 1,000 words, Zonedge builds custom thematic maps based precisely on your specific job. Everyone looks at the exact same physical network map, but each user completely changes their lens. A planning manager colors the map to spot areas with low available capacity. The maintenance manager instantly flags equipment nearing end of life. A contract manager sees customer assets, while an engineer isolates segments missing reference OTDR traces in Hawkesbury. You only highlight what matters to you, completely ignoring the irrelevant data. This is a massive paradigm shift in how we manage infrastructure. Think about it. A static map forces you to hunt around for answers manually. A digital twin completely flips the script. With a digital twin, you ask a question and it answers you immediately. You aren't just staring at static lines on a screen. You are interacting with a living, intelligent model of your actual physical network. So what does this all mean for your day-to-day operations? It means more time for what actually matters, instant action and zero waste. By keeping absolutely everything easy to find, the platform saves you hours every single week. And instead of digging through legacy files, you focus purely on action. You onboard new clients faster. You actually have time to execute crucial preventative maintenance. You drive your major network expansion projects forward without delays. Ultimately, when information is easy to find, your entire operation levels up. You kill the downtime, you ditch the daily frustration, and you finally take total control of your data. Think about how much faster your team grows when you never dig for data again. Take the step to stop searching and start finding.
Start designing, operating, and innovating your fiber optic network today.